so far we've done the ADAS 1 and 2, and Stuart's done the EV course. We find sometimes that Zoom calls tend to lose a bit of the engagement. However, with this course, having someone train us that's been there and done it, they know what they're talking about, so it's a lot more engaging. We seem to learn a lot more through this process, and it's far simpler to do it this way than having to travel to other places.
I found Trains Again very helpful. Takes the pressure out of trying to find where you're going for the course. You can do it in the workplace. It saves wasting time from work. You can just do it in the offices. Very knowledgeable. I found Paul very helpful, as he's from the shop floor. He knows all the technical stuff, and I really enjoyed it. Thank you.